Good morning, Achieve Charter School. It is Tuesday, May 18th, 2021. Hey, we're talking about growth mindset this week, and we had a good discussion yesterday. I want to pick up on that today. It's going to be like part 2 of that same discussion. Can you please stand up for the Pledge of Allegiance? Stand at attention, salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, you guys can have a seat. Show a good slant. Make sure everything's put away. So yesterday we talked about my friend Rob's idea with the stages of summit, right? From like flailing, I'm just almost drowning, and then it gets better to failing. That was kind of rough. Ailing, wailing, but someday just sailing away on a breeze, and you're accomplishing all of your goals, and you're just amazing. Here's what I wanted to talk about. The conversation in Mrs. Siegel's class when I was in there the other day, like I told you guys about, we were like sailing through what? Sailing through summit? I guess. I mean, that's good, I guess. Sailing through and like getting good grades. And then somebody raised their hand and they said, you're talking about life, like sailing through life, accomplishing your goals in life. So what if you knew how hard this would have been from the very beginning, and you knew the different things you'd have to learn, and you knew the successes you would have at the end? And for some of you, you're pretty successful right now. I mean, there's tons of you on track and getting great grades, and some of you might not be sailing until next year. You might have to work on it for 2 years. What if you knew that hard year of school or hard 2 years of school would make you more successful your entire life? Like better at your job, habits of success that make you a better person to be around, better for your family. Well, that also means that this might be better for your future children. What would you do and what would you think about that hard work? You know, growth mindset is like that power of yet and thinking about the future all the time. So I want you to talk about this today. If you knew, and it doesn't have to be just about Summit, if you knew something was going to be very, very hard, but you also knew the rewards at the end, would you do that hard work? All right. So have a conversation about that, because you're going to have a lot of these opportunities in life. I mean, college, that's a great example, right? College is hard by design. That's kind of the point. You're getting an advanced degree, an advanced set of skills. So anytime or a certification in anything, like you're going to have opportunities in your life where you can do something hard and there's a chance of a great reward. So have a conversation with your class about that today. If you had known how hard this year was going to be, but how amazing the gains would be in the end, would you do it? Would you think about it differently? And what would you do next time you encounter this in your life? Will you be like, oh, I've actually done a few hard things already that took me a long time. Not like a hard day or two. Like this was a hard school year. And not just hard because of COVID, but hard because we asked you to actually learn really hard things. Not that you haven't learned hard things in the past, but the number of hard things this year, like this was challenging. So the big question for today is, if you could do it again, knowing that a good thing happens at the end, would you do it? And what are you going to do next time you encounter a hard thing in your life? Have a great discussion. Talk to you later. Bye.